Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most attractive, most trendy women stylish hair cutting ideas. Beautiful and trendy, new and attractive designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I'm back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish, girls stylish haircut designs and ideas. Those ladies who love such type of beautiful and trendy haircuts. You can see in this video adorable, charming short haircuts like Pixy, long Pixy, short Pixy, shaggy Pixy, edgy Pixy, messy Pixy, spiky Pixy. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. And when you more and more visit my channel, you can many more haircuts and hairstyling ideas like bob haircuts, long bob haircuts, short bob haircuts, graduated, inverted bobs, blunty bob, blunt bob, pipsy bob, haircut designs and ideas for western ladies. If you are uni or college girl, if you are office going ladies, office working ladies, then you can easily apply these are all haircuts on your own hairs and you look like beautiful girl, like model and modern all celebrities like these short haircuts. My videos provide you all about 100% new and trending short, long, pixie and curly cutting ideas. So you can visit my channel and take a more information about every style, haircut, fashion. You can do it. You can easily make these very beautiful, stylish haircuts yourself for your parties or casual dresses. You can get many more ideas in this my video. You can see in this video layered haircuts, long layered, short layered haircut ideas, most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, one another beautiful and trendy, beautiful and attractive. Top designer ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends. You can easily make these very beautiful, stylish hair cutting designs. You can apply on your own hairs, stylish hair cutting ideas. When you go in the birthday party or wedding party or casual use. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, one another beautiful and